It's Matt, Chris, and Doug. We're at Goodwill. We're at the South Park location right now. Matt's going to do some shopping for some shorts. While he does that, it's wedding season. Say yes to the dress, Doug.
That's right. It is wedding season as we head into summer, and in behind us are some great thrifted wedding dresses. It's surprising actually what you can get secondhand when it comes to bridesmaids or just evening gowns for very special occasions. And this is where brides can actually not just thrift wedding dresses, but the whole decor package for their wedding and save thousands upon thousands of dollars as they get ready for the big day.
Bridesmaid dresses, everything, right?
Everything you can think of.
Okay, Matt, your daughter's only 2, but if you had to choose one of these dresses, say yes to which one?
I'll go with number 2, Bob.
Number 2, there it is. You know what, everything you could imagine is here at Goodwill, and you can get it now by going to
Goodwill.ab.ca.